Hi, my name is Short-Ganier of Garnier Atelier, and today I'm going to take a stab at a soap kit so that I can learn the process and then do my research on what kind of botanical oils are more natural, and then get into making it my own concoction. But right now, let's give it a test. I already have some soap, and then I threw a little bit of extra secret something in there, that soap as well, to give it some pop, because no one likes a basic soap, right? No one likes a basic soap. So let me go ahead on and start the microwave. I put the cubes of soap in there, and then I'm going to melt them at 30-second increments. And so we'll see how that goes. I might cut it short. It just depends on how hot it gets. And then I'm going to add some poppy seeds. I believe they're poppy seeds. Let's see what they are. These are, what are these? Apricot seeds. So I'm going to throw some apricot seeds in the mix, and then some more vanilla, not flavoring, vanilla extract or botanical oil. And we'll see how it comes out smelling after it cools and dries. So stay tuned.